Once you have your image opened in Affinity Pixel, grab your elliptical marquee tool. If you can't find it, it's right under the rectangle marquee tool. Click and hold, and then select the tool you need. Make sure that the feather is set to 2 pixels. Then zoom in on your subject's eye. Set your cursor in the center of the iris. Click and drag while holding down Command to expand the selection from the center and select the entire iris. If you need to move your selection, hover over the selection until your cursor turns into this cross arrow and move it as you need to. At the bottom of your layers panel, click the new pixel icon to add a new pixel layer. With your new pixel layer selected, grab your fill tool, select the fill bucket, and fill it in with any color. It doesn't matter what color it is. And then at the bottom of your layers panel, click the effects icon, check gradient overlay, set the fill opacity to 0%, set the gradient type to radial, and go ahead and create a gradient of any color of your choosing that radiates from a light shade to a dark shade. Set the blend mode to color, hit close, hit Command or Control D to deselect the layer, and at the bottom of your layers panel, click on your mask icon, grab your paintbrush tool, and with your foreground color set to black, go ahead and mask out the areas of color that you don't need. Now unselect your mask icon by clicking on the color thumbnail, and now drop your opacity down to around 50%. If you want to change the color, all you have to do is click on your effects icon and edit the gradient to the color of your choice. I upload Affinity tutorials every Monday and Adobe tutorials every Friday, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching.